Guys, welcome back to my channel. This is your Mike of the Mbadiwe.com, where I review and promote cloud-based products, IT products, and generally anything that will help you make money online. Today I have another amazing product, actually a software that is called CrytoHero. CrytoHero is going live on the 8th of September 2022 at exactly 10 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, and this product is being launched by the seven-figure affiliate Sean Josiah. And in a nutshell, it's a software that is going to help you create crypto-oriented sites that you can make money with, and of course under the cryptocurrencies platforms. And of course this will help you exactly earn as much as $300 per sale. And imagine being able to create crypto sites and have it out there with your affiliate links automated in a way to make money for you. If this is a product you are going to require, I would encourage you to use the first link below in my description area. That link will definitely bring you to the amazing bonus page of mine, which is this, and you can grab a copy with this link, and of course all the other red links scattered all over this very bonus page like this one. And of course these bonuses, as amazing as they are and as explosive as they may be, I believe you have a lot of time to make up your mind to get this one. When this timeline goes down, definitely there's that likelihood that my product, my of course bonuses will go down with it. Now I wouldn't want you to actually miss out on that. With that said, let us just swing into action and read exactly what Sean Josiah said this very product is all about. It's a software that has a 3-click app that creates passive income crypto sites in 47 seconds and floods them with Bitcoin payments every single day without fail. This may be one you consider and see if this can be replicated by you using the very training that you're going to find on this very dashboard area, which I'm going to take you through if you stick with me, and of course also take you through the amazing sales page where you will be able to have a degree of discount. We're talking about $10 discount, $2 discount, and that will give it to you at $17. So with that said, let us just go further and see if we can take a look at the pricing for this one without wasting much time. It says that the very front end for this very CrytoHero is called the membership, and it goes for downsell of course $17. That is to say that when you get here, the original price is $27, but when you get here with this very link, you can always get it at $17 instead of $27. And you know what that means? You are talking about $10 off the original price, giving it to you as cheap as possible. That is what the front end says it's going to cost you. Now the OTO number one will be the unlimited version of the CrytoHero, and it goes for $37. And here you are looking at your online business to the next level. Then of course the OTO number two is done for you, goes for downsell of $97. And in addition to this, the email swipes for each affiliate program are already written and ready to go. Make it easy to get started with affiliate marketing and start earning commissions right away. And with the done for you email swipes, all the hard work is already done for you. Okay, a complete setup and general fine-tune, and they will do all these things. The team for this very product will actually help you do that under the done for you OTO number two. OTO number three will be the high ticket maximizer. It goes for $67, and of course they will embed their pre-selected 1K per sale link into your CrytoHero magic link, and of course get done for you bonuses to boost your sales and get high converting sales funnel and email swipes. What a gift! Actually, the OTO number 4 will be the traffic booster. It goes for $37. OTO number 5 will be the reseller license. It goes for $67. Done for you software business in a box without any hassles, setup or costs. Leverage their 7-figure team of top-notch designers and copywriters and developers, and of course keep 100% profit to yourself and make up to $864 per sale. And they will handle customer service for you, and no technical skills needed. Video tutorials also included in this license, version of this OTO number 5. OTO number 6 will be the recurrent passive income. It goes for 67 downsell. This upgrade will equip you with the skills to generate passive hand-free income through their specially selected multiple streams of income masterclass. And here you have the OTO number 7, which is the multiple streams of income masterclass, goes for 27. And this very upgrade will equip you with the skills to create multiple streams of income through their 7 specially selected multiple streams of income masterclass. So that's what you have as long as the pricing for CrytoHero is concerned. So, and these are the amazing benefits. You have auto blast to 1 billion hungry crypto buyers, 100% done for you crypto site designed for beginners, specially and brand new and software with full training. Work from home starting today takes just 47 seconds to set up. I doubt that it has to take more than that. Okay, with that said, let us now just look at the bonuses that I have lined up for you for this one. My bonus number 1 will be the commission toolbox, which contains over 1,000 tools, digital marketing tools, capability tools that you need to actually make life easy online, working online. So all the automation system, all the backlink systems, everything that you need, including actually constructing your website, is included in this. Over 1,000 of them. So it will become yours as soon as you purchase this very CrytoHero using my link in the description area. Now, bonus number 2 will be the premium bonus, which is called the product vault. It has 17 amazing software and training courses. These are products that are still selling today on Warrior Plus and of course JVZoo platforms, and you can always have them, 17 of them in one. Just imagine what you got there. And of course, my bonus number 3 will be the 0 to 1,000 per day on autopilot automation system. It could be in the crypto field, it could be in affiliate marketing, it could be in any niche whatsoever, but it is automated in a way that you make up to 1,000 depending on the input of your time and all that on autopilot. Okay, so now bonus number 4 from me will be how to rank any site on page number 1 on Google. And of course, you know what that means. It means visibility, and when you have visibility, you will definitely get the clicks that you need to get conversions to make money online. And that's bonus number 4 for you. Bonus number 5 will be the daily profit success. It's a training course that will teach you how to make daily profits. Even if it's $150 a day, it is something, and over the time, when they become scalable, you'll be able to make money in order to leave your 9-to-5 job. And of course, this is what this very product, this very training is going to teach you, and that I can assure you. And with that said, if you click any of these links like I told you, it will take you to the sales page where you get a discount with this coupon link here, and when you do, it will take you to my Warrior Plus account where you definitely purchase this product. Under your purchase history, you will find a page that looks exactly like this with 2 buttons. The green one gives you access to CrytoHero, and here this blue one will give you amazing access to all the bonuses that I have just shown you, and those will become yours. Now, let us just take a look at the very members area, the software itself. This is what you have as the home, which is exactly where we are now. Here you get the account setting, where you can definitely set your account as long as this very product is concerned. Here you have your email address, you have your telephone number, and then you have your whatever password and all that. So you have bonuses here, you have custom domains, you have your upgrade account, and you have affiliate programs, and of course the crypto market. Everything is basically tailored to give you the actual training that you need, and you'll be able to get going with this one. So that's basically what you have. It's a very simple members area which you can of course maneuver and get the information you desire to make sure that this works for you. Now, with that said, let us just take a look at the very sales page itself, which is this, and you will be able to have access to this very sales page eventually when you click any of those links on my bonus page, red in color. They will definitely bring you to this amazing sales page where you can see what this product is all about, and eventually I will leave the link for this product in the description area so that you see how this product works when eventually it is in action. How you can make money using the crypto bitcoins in order to make money online. So that's basically what you have, and that's your convenience. Like I said, you'll be able to go through the testimonials and all the income proofs that have been signed in this one so that you see if this is going to be for you. If the crypto industry is what you are very much in love with, this may be the software you need to create crypto sites that will make money, passive income for you. That I can assure you is another blockbuster from Sean Josiah himself. And with that said, we will definitely gradually come to the very end of this review. If you are new to my channel and you like what this is all about, I will encourage you to give me a like and of course subscribe to my channel and use the bell button for notifications. I will definitely make sure that I come back to you in my next review. Till then, I will remain your Mike of the MikeMbadiwe.com, coming to you as always from here, and from me, from here, is goodbye guys.